Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to edit an existing template in BoldSign so you can update details, replace files, adjust roles, and modify fields without creating a new template from scratch. Templates are essential for saving time and ensuring consistency when sending the same document repeatedly. However, when documents change, outdated templates can create serious issues. Missing or incorrect clauses, outdated role assignments, and signing errors can delay completion and force teams to resend corrected documents. These problems not only waste time, but also disrupt workflows and increase the risk of compliance mistakes. BoldSign's Edit Template feature makes it easy to keep your templates accurate and up to date without starting from scratch. With template editing, there's no need to recreate templates for every change, no risk of sending outdated versions, and no repetitive setup for roles and fields. Instead, you can instantly update text, clauses, and files, adjusting roles and permissions to match new workflows and modify fields for an accurate signing experience. This ensures your templates remain current and consistent across all future sends, saving time, reducing errors, and improving efficiency. Imagine a busy real estate agency using a rental agreement template for every tenant. During a review, the agent discovers a missing pet policy clause. Instead of rebuilding the template from scratch, the agent simply edits the existing template to make the updates. Let me show you how to do this. First, log into your BoldSign account. Open the Templates menu and go to My Templates. Locate the template you want to update. Click its context menu and select Edit Template. This action redirects you to the Prepare Template page. Here, you can edit key template details such as the title, description, files, role setup, template usage settings, and document settings. Back to our scenario, the document content has changed and a pet policy clause was missed. To correct this, upload the updated version that includes the pet policy clause. If your workflow has changed, adjust roles such as adding a new role or updating role names so the template matches your current process. When you're done, click Next to move to the Configure Fields page. On the Configure Fields page, you can update the signing experience by adding, editing, or adjusting fields. In this example, I've added a pet policy clause, so I need to include acknowledgement fields. To do this, drag and drop a checkbox field to the acknowledgement section and assign it to the correct role. Next, add the signature field. Review field placement, role assignment, and properties carefully to ensure everything is aligned and ready for recipients to complete smoothly. When you've finished, click Save Template to store your updates. Please note that editing a template updates the original template, so future use will reflect your latest changes. If you don't want to modify the original, you can clone it first. To do that, go to Templates, open all templates, select the template, open the context menu, and choose Clone Template. You can clone it with or without form field values, then click Clone. This opens the cloned version for editing. Make your changes, and click Save Template to create a new updated version without impacting the original. That's how easy it is to edit templates in BoldSign. The editing feature helps you make quick updates, keep workflows consistent, and avoid costly errors. Log in now and update your templates to stay accurate and compliant. If you found this tutorial useful, click like and subscribe for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorials.